Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1937 Ford sedan. I got the owner here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Very good.
Yeah, what a pretty car.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Love the color, sitting on the wide white, so pretty.
Yeah, teardrop headlights. 1937.
Okay.
It's 4-door. It's 78 is the model.
Okay.
I got it from Virginia in 2012, 2013. I drove it for a few years, and then I had the engine redone in 2014, 15. Total redo on the motor. Burns unleaded gas.
Nice. Valve seats down there.
Everything, complete.
Flathead V8 in there, guys.
It's 85 horse, 21 bolt head. It has a aluminum overflow tank. It has an electric fan cooler in the front.
That's great for a hot day just like today.
So you can sit in traffic.
It is 90-something degrees here today, guys.
The radiator was Recored in probably 2015. That was about $1,000.
We have all the receipts for that work.
I had the mechanical brakes taken out, the cables. I put hydraulic brakes in. They're all brand new.
Made a big
I had a
difference.
39 set of pedals put in, so it's hydraulic, very safe. It has a stainless steel gas tank. The Ring-N-Pinion I had changed because it was a 411, and I changed it down to a 5.1.
Wow, so it made a big difference on the highway, huh?
I can do 55, 60. I wouldn't push it too much further, but it definitely cruises.
Yeah, keep up with everybody.
It has electronic ignition.
Oh, that's nice. Malory, right?
And it has a Malory distributor.
Gotcha. Nice updates.
So it has a dual, for the brakes, it has a dual port master underneath the driver's floor. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Firestones, big wide whites. They look like brand new also.
The outside was probably done about 12 years ago, and the interior also.
Cool.
So it has a little wear, but not
Beautiful
that much.
paint though. And black's hard to show, hide anything. Really.
Mechanics on the car, all the gauges work.
Cool. Love the Banjo wheel. Very cool.
Yeah, that's great. Drives down the highway really well. Starts right up. It's a 12-volt system. The headlights were changed to halogen.
Very nice.
And it was all rewired. Heater was put in. The radio is a dummy. Doesn't really work, but the radio underneath the dash does.
That's what's
It's
in
only
here.
on 2 brackets, so that can come out real easy if you need to.
Cool. It's an Alpine system with all the goodies. Bluetooth and everything.
Clutch was done when the motor was done.
Okay.
And the drive shaft was balanced and worked on when they did the Ring-N-Pinion, so everything was real.
Wow. So mechanically and cosmetically, she's gorgeous. Love it. Will you check out under the hood? Love how the hood's open on these. Very cool. Flathead under the hood.
Yeah, there's your 21 bolt head.
Very nice.
Jazzed it up a little bit, but I do have the original parts that came off it also.
And those are
So I have
included.
the original breather,
Oh, cool.
and I have all the original parts too.
Oh, very cool.
And I have extra brake pads and a lot of parts that go with the car.
Fantastic.
Car cover, all that stuff.
Like the air cleaner.
And even on a hot day like today, it's only running about 170 degrees.
Let's fire it up. Barely hear it running, huh? Like a sewing machine. Electric fans on the thermostat or?
Electric fans on a dial.
The
So
dial.
it's at about 160. It comes on before it gets to thermostat. It had brand new two pumps on front.
Oh, I see that.
Dual pumps.
Yeah.
So those were new when I had the engine done.
Very cool. Sounds great.
Yeah, it runs good.
Barely hear it.
Yeah, it runs good.
Pretty awesome.
Old
guy?
timer did the motor for me.
You need old timer on
Yeah,
these
an old timer,
flatheads.
yeah, you need an old timer to do the motor. Old
Very
timer
cool.
did the motor.
Well, guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Do offer worldwide shipping and financing, so I hope to hear from you soon. And thanks again for showing us your car.
Thank you very much.
Beautiful.